Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Android location and setting high accuracy so the game can read real coordinates. Grant GTA San Andreas location permission in app settings. Once done, make sure Google Play services and any map add-ons are installed because the game sometimes queries system location providers. You should also reboot the phone to ensure permissions stick. This avoids the common issue where the app shows no GPS despite location being enabled. Now open the game and go to the settings menu to proceed. You now navigate the in-game settings to turn on the radar and minimap so your GPS marker appears. Enabling HUD coordinates helps you confirm real-time position. Make sure Controls uses the input method matching your setup, because touch input versus a gamepad can affect location polling frequency. Once these options are set, test by entering free roam and watching the minimap. If the marker jitters or lags, change location mode in Android or toggle GPS off and back on to refresh the fix before moving on. You finish by testing movement in-game. Walk or drive to confirm the minimap follows you smoothly, and note any drift so you can fine-tune settings. If the marker stalls, toggle Android location mode between high accuracy and device, only then restart the app to force a new GPS fix. Make sure to clear the app cache or reinstall GTA San Andreas if permissions didn't apply. This often fixes persistent GPS issues. If problems continue, check battery saving restrictions and allow background location access as one key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.